downtown SM. Be. Okay. Naging mag-enjoy mini heaven din eh. Okay. Ganun. Here, picture. Smile. Smile, smile. Take a picture. Okay. We go inside, guys. Looking for the playground for heaven. Okay. Nasa bataan din. Waiting for your Auntie May. Wait. Your Auntie May. Go there kayo mag-watch. Diya ka, oh. Diya ka, ha. Take a picture. Anang leg sa kuan? Leg of the sa many horse legs. Okay. You get her the legs. Sige. Stay there. Look at me. Look at. And you go there. Take a picture. SM downtown. Say. SM downtown. I'm waiting for my sister, and then will be Evan will be going for the playground, looking for the playground here. Okay, walking with Heaven sa SM downtown, Cagayan de Oro. So we're going looking for playground for Heaven. Okay. Independence na bem, June 12. Holiday and Charter Day. In Cagayan. Ah, there, oh. There, bem, oh. You can play there, oh. Let's go. Picture.
Yes.
Okay. Wow. Okay. Oh, there is another one. Oh, let's check this. We need to check. Oh, quantum. No. This one, you like this? Ah, this one. This one. Go there. Okay. This one, you go there. Heaven. Celestia. Heaven. Heaven. Be careful. Oh, it's a huge playground here. They have a market, supermarket, store. sushi. Burger shop. Pet work. Hospital. Wow. Heaven love this. Ice cream area. Heaven love this. Uh-oh. My girl love this area. Cooking place. Wow. Kitchen. Wow. Fire department. Wow, they have what to call this? Black. Oh, they have a black. Lot of black.
Wala kayo.
Okay, they have a black. Oh, play all. Play what you want. Play this train. Play.
Socks are required inside the play area once again. Socks are required inside the play area. Thank you.
Form hands. Celestia, your watch. No. My broken. Gonna be mommy keep. Maybe it lost. No. It will be lost. You're playing. No. Don't wear na lang. Keep mommy din, Ebe. Do not wear. Kaya ma-loss na. Ma-fly-fly ka. There, jump, oh. You wanna jump? Later, kay napay baby. This one, a Barbie house. Oh, you want to play it? Dula dito, play dito. Slide there. You're wasting your time there. You go there, slide area. There, slide area. Go. There. Be careful lang ha, kay there's a lot of kids ha. Be careful. Go there. Slowly ha. Watch your can. Use the can stair. There. Climb there, oh. You can climb there, oh. Don't use there, Ben. Use the stair. Heavenly. Heaven. Slowly wait. Wait your turn. Wait your turn. Dili mag-stop dia. Wait your turn. Okay. There, climb there. don't. Play there, oh. Play. Hold it. Play. Do your cooking. Do cooking. Do there, oh, lot. Oh, use your dress uniform. Sushi. So, wear this off. Wear this. Wear it. Like a chef. Chef. Oh, sige. Insert. Just tight. Just enough. No need.
Good afternoon, we're calling the attention of the following customers. Customer Ma'am Gomamela. Customer Ma'am Sir Mike
Oh, that's it.
Miguel. Please proceed to the counter area. Thank you.
Burger, Ben. You like in the burger place? Go to the burger place. Take out your dress. Take it out now. Take it out. That's a uniform there. Put in the hanger. Hang it. Hang. Put it there in the box. French fries. Where's your French fries? Here, the French fries. I don't know where's the ice cream. For your ice cream. Locking. That's enough. They don't have ice cream. Here, here. Wait for mommy. Okay. Smile. Okay, go na. Play na, play. Here only, oh. Play na. Yeah, you're tired? You wanna eat? Oh, nya na. See, play sa, enjoy yourself. You have 30 minutes. There, so go and Heaven. Go there, oh. Climb there, oh. Heaven. Climb there, oh. Pwede kita makain. Wow. hold your shoulder. Okay. Hold your shoulder. Go. Go. Hold your shoulder.
It's ready for event that full fun only here.
Hold your shoulder when you slide.
The Kitsune event
Like demo. Oh, like demo. Look at. What they do? Look at to. Oh, look at to. Look at what they hold their shoulder. Oh. Oh. Wow. You want a mascot? You want a mascot?
Masasayaw mo na sila ng challenge. And stay in front of Lala Chan kids. Then kay Sarah Tirano Chan. Sorry.
Mascots, mascots.
Lala Chan.
The front, the front. The front. Dance, dance, dance. Follow. Follow.
Alright, we are inviting all the kids to join our activity. Kasama si Lala Chan. At the Boat Area Kids.
Go, go, go. Hug, 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 hug. Hug, hug, hug.
Kids.
Hug.
Lala Chan, diba? At the Area Kids.
It's a mascot. You're wearing a dress. Mascot. That's a mascot. Wearing a dress. Go there. There, there, there. Go there. Make a picture there. Go picture.
Maglalaro tayo together with Lala Chan. Everybody stand up. Stay in front.
Hello.
Hello. Alright, so good afternoon, kids. My name is I am here at the Eden.
Go with them.
I'm
Go
here
with
at
them.
Jinky
Say
and
hello.
at Tatay. And of course, kids, here is our lovely, bubbly pink squirrel from Japan. Everybody say hi to Lala Chan. Alright, it's Lala Chan. Alright, so kids, sabi ni Lala Chan, you know how to dance? Yes, so sasayaw daw muna tayong kids. Then Lala Chan, ano yung dalawang two basic steps Lala Chan? Everybody, first step. Clap your hands twice down. Clap your hands up and jump. Oh, one more. Clap your hands twice down. Clap your hands up and jump. Good job. Are you ready to dance? Yes, at the JV music please. Dito kayo sa center kids. Center kayo lahat. Center. Ayun. Look at the space. Again. Ready? Shake your hands.
Sige na, face na.
Up, right
Follow,
and
follow.
left. Right and left. Up, right and left. Turn around. Spin around. Again, kids. Again. One more. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Up, right and left. Up, right and left. Very good. Ready, turn around. Good job, clap your hands, everybody. And sit down. Everybody sit down. So, kids, this afternoon, maglalaro tayo ng sack race. Sack race, we have traffic cone, and we have a sack. Now, kids, we need two teams. Team A for Ate Jinky, and Team B for Ate Kakay. So kids, everybody stand up and you choose your team. Choose your team. Team A at Jinky, Team B at Kakay. O, form your line, kids.
Fall in line, Tati.
Choose your team. Team A at Jinky and Team B at Kakay. Then everybody move back
ko ate ha. Follow the instruction. The sack. Jump. Listen to the instructions. 7. Look at, follow. 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 Listen. Jump tayo na sulod sa put inside the sack ha. If the one is coming back and then run there, jump with the sacks ha. Like this oh, like that. Like that. Do until the round in the circle. Follow. Oh, like that kids oh. Turn around there. Follow. Like that, like ate, You scared?
Very good! For the second round, good job, teammate! Nakabawi kayo! Oh, final round, kids! Final round! Dapat makakakuha ng 2 points para sila yung maging leader. Counter kids! Counter kids! Dapat may 1. Sasagot ko na para mabibigyan nila ulit siya. So, once again, yung mga malaki kids, shake your hands and shout it. Forge. Hold your hands. Yeah, forge. Very good. Forge. Follow. Follow your hands. Forge. Yeah. Love.
Kitsuna. One more, Kitsuna. Yes, okay, so you want to celebrate your birthday, Kitsuna? Yes, okay, right, so we're going to promote our birthday packages. Represent us of every 5 years. Alright, just let us try. Is something that let us try? Happy siya na nakasama kayo sa atin, yun. Pero kailangan nyo nang mag-say bye-bye sa inyo. Okay, so everybody say goodbye to Lalo Chan. Bye! Bye, Lalo Chan. Thank you again, thanks for joining, and who knows what I can do again. Bye! Celestia! Regan! Regan! Halina! Halina!